I can't remember the day or year, or if it were a lake or an ocean. I only recall hearing this sound, the sound of crashing waves. Peacefulness rests upon my soul. Nothing in this world satisfies more than nature shaping our land like it has done a million times before. This simple act of nature descends upon the eardrums every season. And it is not about nature building, it's how it becomes part of you. The world can find this too, not just live in dreams or visions, for you will soon come to hear the sound of crashing waves.